Hello and welcome to this short video on the use of the database search box. So when you go on the Replace website, you can see that some methods are already displayed here with the name of the responsible researcher and the organization. But if you look for a particular method, you can use the search box and the filter here. So for example, if you are looking for a particular method such as spheroid, you can type it here and then you can click the button Search. You will see the result displayed below. You can also filter the results by type of method. There are 5 types of methods in our database: in vitro, in silico, in chemical, in vivo, and other. So if you look, for example, for an in silico method, you can select in silico and see the result displayed here. It is also possible to filter the results by area: basic research, applied research, regulatory use, and education. And finally, same principle, you can sort the result by organization. So for example, if I look for a method published by the VUB, I can select VUB and see the method displayed below. You can see that they are part of VUB. If you would like to have more information, please contact us via our general email address info@replace.be. Thank you for your attention.